If you are taking the Aptis reading test, this is what you can expect. The reading test is one of 5 components available within the Aptis test system. Aptis is a modern and flexible English test that can be used to assess language ability in all 4 English skills and knowledge of grammar and vocabulary. You will have 30 minutes to complete the reading test. There will be 4 sections. The tasks become more difficult as the test progresses. Section 1 is sentence comprehension. There will be 5 3-option multiple-choice questions, and you will need to choose from the drop-down menu to complete sentences. Section 2 looks at text organisation. You will see a series of 7 sentences that have been jumbled up. You will need to reorder these sentences to form a coherent text. The first one has been done for you. You should read all of the sentences carefully first, then decide on the order. Section 3 asks you to read a short text. The task is to complete the text by selecting the appropriate word and dragging it to the right place. There may be more options than you need, so choose carefully. You should read over the whole text before attempting the questions. The 4th section has a long text with a series of headings. The task is to match the headings to paragraphs in the text. There is always an extra heading that does not fit with any paragraph. Look for clues to connect the headings to the paragraphs. These might be similar words, ideas, or topics. To help you prepare and practice ahead of the Aptis reading test, you could try these resources. Aptis, forward-thinking English testing. For more information, check our website